let me just show you how the AHJ registry works. So if you go to ahjregistry.sunspec.org, it'll pull up this generalized view, and you can go in here and search for an address. I'm going to do a very simple basic address. It's going to give me the middle of Houston, Texas, but Google comes back with a single point, so all of this works. And you can see that this is the city of Houston. This, if I click on it, is Harris County, the city of Houston, and the state of Texas. So I can see how everything fits together. And if you hover over the box, you can see that you're looking at Harris County. This is where Harris County is actually located within the city of Houston. Houston cities, AHJ, and then the searched address is simply the middle that Google came back with. So you can see these different pieces of information. We are always going to return the smallest government unit available, which is the city of Houston in the case of this point, because the smaller the level of government, that's where the permit is issued 99.9% of the time. There are some odd substitution cases and that kind of thing, but 99% of the time, the smallest unit of government is where you're getting your solar permits. But all three of them will be included to give you the full detail. It's very straightforward. Let me do one more address for you, just to show you how this works in another area of the country. And this is another address. You don't have to include the city because the zip code Google was smart enough to figure that out. And here's another AHJ that's not nearly as complex as Houston, but you can see it still has these separated polygons. I have been told that this has to do with the water treatment plants and some other things that determine why this AHJ has these jurisdictions. But again, even locally, even simpler, this is really hard. So it makes it easier to find the right thing at the right time.